Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add folders on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see, in the top left corner, we have your profile. So you have home, issues, and all of those things. And in the top right corner, we have profile. Sorry, my mistake. So we have all of that here. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and add folders on GitHub. It is pretty easy. And you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So adding a folder to GitHub is, of course, straightforward. You need to go and navigate your repository. So go to repository where you want to add your folder, of course. Then create a new file. So click on Add File button and select Create New File. Then name your folder and rename your file type, name of the folder, followed by the /. Add a file, after / type the name of the file you want to create in the folder. Commit the new file, scroll down and click on Commit New File to save your changes. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as it helps us really grow the channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.